for watching. My name is Kay. My channel mostly focuses on content that is fashion, beauty, and sneaker related. If that sounds like things you're into, then please do join us. I would love to have you. So today what I'm going to be doing is what I think is a very exciting unboxing. I have a couple pieces from the Fendace collection, which was the Fendi and Versace collaboration. So I have a piece from the Versace for Fendi, and also have a piece for the Fendi for Versace, because there were two different collections. There was one that you could buy only at Fendi, and there was one that you could buy only at Versace, but they were both a part of the same collab. So anyway, we saw the runway show for this a little while ago, and I talked about it a little bit and how excited I was for this collab, and it's finally here. The release date was May 12th. There are still some pieces online available. Not everything is available. I think one of the pieces that I have is no longer available, but there is something similar, and I will input that when we get to that time. But anyway, let me stop rambling, and we're just going to get right into the unboxing. So the chain wasn't clipped on both sides when I got it, so the chain ended up being a little bit tangled, so I did have to spend some time off camera untangling it. So this was my order from Fendi's website, and it included some co-branded stickers, which I thought was really, really cool. The packaging for this collection is really nice, and I like that from both brands. They included the packaging, like the bag and everything with the order, even though I ordered from online. The bando had fell out of the packaging, I guess, during the shipping process, so that's why it wasn't in the box, but the box was included. Okay, so the two pieces I ended up getting were this nano baguette. Oh, stuck on my ring. This nano baguette, and this was from Versace, and this was Fendi for Versace. And then I got this twilly scarf, and this one was Fendi. This was for Versace for Fendi. So I got this one from the Fendi store. And as you can see, it has it here, like underneath the Fendace, it says Fendi. And then this one doesn't have anything like that. But anyway, so when I first saw this on the runway, I automatically knew that I wanted to get this little bag, but I also had intended on getting a bigger baguette. But the baguette that I really fell in love with ended up being priced at like $10,000 or like $9,500 or something like that. And I just could not justify spending it on that, because if I'm going to spend it, I'm just going to take it to Chanel. So I did not buy that one. This is the only piece that I bought, the only bag, which I'm still happy with though, so it's okay. This was priced at $950. I believe that is currently unavailable. But Fendi has another version on their website that has like a Versace print on it. It's slightly different. Well, it's a little more than slightly different, but it's a similar feel. And that one's still showing on their website, and you can put in notifications to be notified if that one comes back. So if you are interested in this and you cannot make it to the stores where they have the pop-ups, then my recommendation would be to put your notification in for the other option, and maybe you'll be able to get it. Okay, so the bag that I liked, I'll try to put it on the screen. It was like kind of like junked a little bit. So it had like a twilly on it and like all this other stuff and like this mixed print and all this stuff. But I don't get that. So I decided to make the poor man's version. I'm not quite sure how I'm going to do this. I'm gonna have to play around with it a little bit, but I decided to take this twilly and put it on this little baguette, which is ironic in itself because this is like one of the smallest bags that you could possibly get, and I'm going to put a twilly on it, but whatever. So I'm gonna play around with it a little bit. Oh, let's just talk about some of the details on the bag before I even start on that. So here we have the Medusa head, and then we have the Fendi logo closure, which is cool. It's like both of them co-branded. And then here we also have the safety pin, which is something that Versace does sometimes. And then we have also another Medusa head here. The print all over the bag is a Fendi print, which is really fun. And the chain is even like a little bit unique. Says Fendi on it, and you can adjust it, like adjust the straps, so you can even hold this like in your hand if you wanted to, with the strings dangling. Like you can do a lot of things with this bag, and I do like that they really allowing you to have fun with it. Or you can wear it long, wear it crossbody. You can do a lot of things with this. So there's that. When we open up the inside of the inner part of the bag, there's the main compartment. You guys, this is a really small bag. It's considered a bag charm. So please don't expect to fit a lot of things in here. You will not. And then there's a little pocket compartment, which I think is fun. I have another one of these baguettes that I previously did, I think from the Fendi Skims collection. And I don't think that one had a pocket. I will link to that though if anybody is interested in watching that. Let me just try to tie this twilly real quick, and then we can talk. So I'm gonna play around with this a little bit more because that's not quite the way that I wanted it. So I still have to play around with this some more with tying it how I want it to look properly, but I just tied it on there. Just loosely tied it on there for now for y'all to see. But I do want it to have like a junky kind of look, but I just want to tie it on differently than it is right now. But anyway, that's just to give y'all the idea. But anyway, let's open it, and then we'll see what you can actually fit inside, which is not going to be much of anything. Here's a card holder. I'm going to try to put that in here. That fits. took up literally the whole bag, as you can see. So this is going to be one of those bags where you're only probably going to be able to put like a card, your ID, and it has a little pocket for that. So I put it in a little compartment back here. And then you'll have this space right here. But you probably, again, couldn't put much of anything in there. Probably a lip gloss or something like that. I don't think this bag was designed with functionality in mind. I think it was just designed to be a cute little novelty piece. And I'm okay with not being able to fit a lot of things in my bag. As I previously stated, I don't carry a lot of stuff in my bag anyway, so I'm okay with that. But for some people, this may really be completely impractical, especially for the price. And I understand that if this is not your type of thing, I get it. But for the girls that do get it, here's the bag. And I hope you guys enjoyed unboxing with me today. If this is something that you like to watch these type of things, I do these quite often, so please do feel free to subscribe. Thank you guys for sticking around this long. Thank you for watching, and I do hope to see you all again. Bye.